Hello, I'm Dr. Vikramarachi, and in this video, I will give you an introduction to the lab and the simulator that we're going to use. So when you visit your Blackboard page under the lab assignment online, you should be able to see this week lab 8, Snell's law of refraction. Then you will be seeing two files that I attached. One is the PDF version of the lab manual, and the second one is the Word document. So last week we faced a couple of problems about the fillable PDF. So now you can just open the Word file and type your answers in there. Also, you may write your answers on a paper and scan it, save it as a PDF, and then submit your report. All right, then in this lab, we need to use a simulator, which is a PET simulator coming from the Colorado State University. So here's the link for the simulator. So when you click on that, it will open you to the simulator. So it is something like this one. And it does need Java on your computer. So if you're facing some issues, here I added a couple of tips, the troubleshooting tips. So if you're facing problems opening the simulator, you may use those tips. Also, if you try that and if you're still facing problems, I would ask you to restart the computer, and most of the time it helps. Well, so the simulator is look like this one. We need the intro one. So don't click on the other two, we need intro. So click on that. It will open you to the page like this, where you can change your material, and this is the light source that we're going to use. So when you click on this button, it's shoot the laser light, red laser light. And here you can change the material on the first medium. So by changing this one, you can change the material, and then you are changing basically the index of refraction. So here you can customize it. So you keep it AR, let's say. Depending on which part of the experiment you're working, you have to change this material. Then you can also change the second material in the similar fashion. So if you want to keep AR, you may do that. And also if you need something else like glass, you may do that as well. Also, there's another feature that we can use, that's the protractor. So if you take the protractor, you just drag it from there, and if you want to put it back, just put it back, drag out. So drag into the page, and then when you are placing this properly, it is really important to place the protractor properly. So here's 0 to 0 line. So that should go across the normal, and 90 to 90 line, 90 degree to 90 degree line should lie along the border between the two materials, and this middle indicator should be at the crossing point. So this point over here. So you can just take it over. 0, 0 goes through the normal, and here this surface, this 90 degree to 90 degree line should be passing the medium. So you just drag it over there. So that's perfect. So that's how you can measure the angle. So you know, like you're measuring the incident angle from the normal. So that's going to be the normal. 0, 0 line is the normal, and you're measuring the angle from there. So basically, let's say this, that's 30 degrees, right? Incident angle is 30 degrees, and the refracted angle is 10, about 19, 18. So there's a little error factor here because we are not that precise measuring it. So I would say this is about 18 or 19 degrees. And this is the refracted beam, and that's the reflection. So basically in this lab, we are focusing on the refraction. So you need to see that. Also, if you're interested in measuring the intensity, you may do that as well. See, like refraction is 94%, and about 5% get reflected. Right? Yeah, I believe that helped you. And if you have any questions, you may email your TA. If you are facing any technical difficulties, you may email me. All right, so thank you, and I hope this will go smoothly for you.